exposing the doggone truth about Jamaican dog life. It's not all belly rubs and fetch here, folks. In Jamaica, dogs aren't just pets. Oh no, they're the ultimate security guards. Forget man's best friend, they're more like man's best alarm system. These four-legged protectors are on duty 24/7, patrolling the yard like furry bouncers. Now, in Europe, you might take Fido for a stroll in the park, but in Jamaica, laughs, walkies are strictly yard-based and don't even think about letting them inside the house. They're out there keeping watch come rain or shine. And cats? Oh boy, cats in Jamaica are like ninja burglars with a taste for KFC, laughs. Ask any Jamaican about their feline encounters and you'll get tales of sardine thefts and perfectly open chicken boxes. These cats are pros. So next time you see a Jamaican dog, give it a nod of respect. It's not just a pet, it's the household's first line of defense. Cheers, and remember, in Jamaica, pets mean business. And the only time you'll see a dog on the road is if it's a stray without a home, not because the owners would take them for a walk.